The R&R Products Grand Ball Washer, designed for efficient and rapid cleaning of golf balls, is a robust tool crafted from durable die-cast aluminum with a hard, anodized, powder-coated finish, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Its high-performance internal brush adeptly removes dirt, mud, and grass, ensuring golf balls are in pristine playing condition. User-friendly with a convenient one-hand operation, this washer is available in two models: the Standard, equipped with a basic mounting kit, and the Deluxe, featuring a more elaborate mounting kit, including a flagpole and towel dispenser. Catering to golfers of all levels, the R&R Products Grand Ball Washer is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and effective solution for maintaining the cleanliness of golf balls, whether for personal use or enhancing a golf course's facilities. The Marvel Corporation Cable Bender is likely a specialized tool designed for bending various types of cables in electrical, telecommunications, or construction applications. The model name suggests two different capacities, possibly indicating the maximum bend radius or cable size each model can handle. Typically, such tools are engineered for precision and control to prevent cable damage, built from durable materials for longevity, and designed with user safety and ease of use in mind. However, without specific details about the cable types it's intended for, its exact bending capacities, and any unique features or functionalities, a more accurate and detailed description isn't possible. The DCK electric rotary hammer, equipped with a powerful 850 watts motor, excels in drilling and demolition tasks on materials like concrete, brick, and masonry. It features a 26mm SDS Plus shank for a wide range of drill bits, enhancing its versatility. The tool offers 3 drilling modes: hammer drilling, rotary drilling, and chiseling, suitable for different project requirements. With variable speed control, users can optimize performance across various materials. It includes important safety features like a safety clutch to prevent overheating and overload, along with a dust extraction system for a cleaner workspace. The tool's impact energy is 3.2 J, ideal for light to medium demolition tasks. Weighing 5.5 kilograms, it's slightly heavy, which may impact handling during prolonged use. The Dongcheng DZ Orbital Sander is a versatile tool with a 240-watt motor, ideal for various finishing tasks. It features 14,000 orbits per minute performance for efficient sanding and has a 110 by 100 millimeters pad for good coverage. Its design includes a hook and loop system for easy sandpaper changes and a soft grip handle for comfort. Lightweight at 1.2 kilograms, it's easy to handle, especially for overhead work. While great for DIY projects like sanding furniture and removing paint, its smaller pad may not suit heavy-duty tasks. Some models might lack a dust collection port. Overall, it's a practical choice for hobbyists needing a reliable, affordable sander. The Bihui Tools FEC5 Bihui XXL 2.0 rail system offers a versatile and efficient solution for cutting large format tiles up to 3.2 meters long. It is compatible with both manual and electric cutters, featuring precision-engineered rails made of durable aluminum alloy, available in various lengths for different tile sizes. Lightweight and portable, this system enhances accuracy, increases efficiency, reduces waste, and ensures safer operation, making it an ideal choice for professionals handling large tiles. The DCA ADPL 048 Cordless Brushless Impact Driver stands out as a versatile tool for various driving and fastening tasks, thanks to its compact design and powerful features. Weighing just 0.7 kilograms and measuring 125 millimeters in length, it's perfect for tight spaces or overhead work. The brushless motor enhances efficiency, offering longer runtime and a maximum torque of 140 Newton-meters, ideal for tough applications like lag screws. It includes a 12-volt max battery, suitable for most DIY and professional tasks, and features a 3-speed selection, tapping screw mode, hex shank bit holder, and an LED work light for improved visibility. While it's powerful and user-friendly, its lower voltage might be a limitation for heavy-duty work. and the need to purchase the battery and charger separately could be a drawback for some users. The Stonegate self-locking dolly is an invaluable tool for handling heavy stone slabs, offering a self-locking mechanism for secure grip and safety, heavy-duty construction for durability, and pneumatic tires for smooth movement on uneven terrain. It's versatile, accommodating various slab thicknesses, and features like a kickstand or rear wheel enhance its functionality. Ideal for transporting and installing stone countertops and panels in construction sites, it significantly improves safety, efficiency, and reduces the risk of damage to materials. When selecting one, consider its weight capacity, slab thickness compatibility, and suitability for the intended terrain, making it a go-to choice for professionals in stone installation and transportation. The Grizzly G8689 mini milling machine stands out as a top choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, offering a compact yet versatile solution for various metalworking tasks, including milling, drilling, and facing. Powered by a robust 12 HP, 110-volt motor and featuring an R8 spindle. This machine offers precision and control through adaptable dovetail ways, micro downfeed, and zero-setting dials. The variable speed control, with ranges of 0 to 1100 and 0 to 2500 RPM, caters to different materials and tasks. Built with a cast-iron headstock and base, it ensures stability and reduced vibration. Despite its compactness, it's limited in table size and travel, and might not be sufficient for heavy-duty metalworking projects. The Dongcheng DZ168 diamond drill is an adept and powerful tool, ideal for wet and dry core drilling in hard materials like concrete and brick, thanks to its robust 2,000-watt motor and 168mm drilling capacity. It excels in a variety of applications, notably in plumbing, electrical, and ventilation installations. The drill features variable speed control for versatility, a water source connection for dust reduction and drill bit longevity, and a solid body construction for durability. While its 5.8 kilograms weight might require a two-handed operation, it remains user-friendly with an adjustable handle. However, it's important to note the separate purchase of diamond drill bits and the need for regular maintenance. Overall, the Dongcheng DZ168 is an excellent choice for professionals and dedicated DIY enthusiasts needing a reliable tool for challenging drilling tasks. The FrameFAST structural framing system revolutionizes house building by simplifying the connection of trusses, wall studs, and plates using a single heavy-duty screw and 3 interchangeable heads, replacing multiple clips, straps, and ties. This innovative system greatly speeds up installation, boasting up to 5x faster assembly than traditional methods, and ensures accuracy and consistency with preset angles and depth guides. It enhances safety by eliminating the need for ladders and nail guns, and the robust screws meet building code requirements, ensuring durable and compliant structures. The USAG 236K is a versatile chain extension for bits, ideal for screwdrivers or impact wrenches, enhancing reach and leverage in tight spaces. It features a standard hex bit holder and a unique pinion sprocket system that increases output revolutions by 1.6 times for greater efficiency. Constructed from durable aluminum, it's lightweight yet robust. This tool excels in providing improved access to confined areas, increased torque for driving screws or bolts, and faster operation. However, it's important to consider its size, compatibility with hex bits, potential limitations in high torque scenarios, and its bulkier design compared to standard tools. Overall, the USAG 236K is a valuable accessory for those seeking to enhance their tool's functionality in challenging working conditions. The tough-built StackTech 4-wheel cart, TBB1 T10, with its robust, high-performance polymer construction, is an adaptable and sturdy cart for various tasks, including tool and supply transport. It features 4 heavy-duty swivel casters for nimble maneuvering, with 2 locking casters for secure placement. Its folding design enhances storage convenience and compatibility with all full-size StackTech toolboxes and crates allows for a customizable storage solution. The cart's impressive 300-pound weight capacity ensures it can manage hefty loads, making it a practical and durable option for both professional and personal use. The VIVER 6 CFM tire inflator is a high-performance, portable air compressor ideal for inflating tires up to 35 inches in diameter. Featuring a robust 0.7 HP oil-free motor, it delivers a substantial maximum airflow of 6 CFM, capable of inflating a 235/85R16 tire from 20 psi to 36 psi in just a minute. This efficiency is complemented by a convenient built-in pressure gauge for precise monitoring. Key features include its powerful motor, rapid inflation capacity, suitability for large tires, and thermal protection to prevent overheating. While its 15-pound weight maintains portability, its 45% maximum duty cycle and 10 FPU air hose should be considered for extended use or distant inflation tasks. The Tolson 79554 cutoff saw, with its 2400 watt power, is a formidable tool for metal cutting, offering a no-load speed of up to 4,000 RPM and cutting capacities of 110 millimeters diameter at 90 degree and 65 millimeters diameter at 45 degree. This robust saw includes a 355 millimeter blade, a wrench, and a cutting-off wheel, suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Operating on 220 to 240 volts and 50-60 Hz frequency, it's a practical choice for various metalworking tasks. However, its weight of about 15 kilograms, the necessity of a power outlet due to its corded design, and its limitation to metal cutting are factors to consider before making a purchase decision. The CHUNGO Canty KD5521 is a highly efficient and versatile cordless insulation cutter, ideal for professionals handling insulating materials like rock wool, mineral wool, glass wool, and various foams. It offers the convenience of cordless operation with an 18-volt DC battery, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. The device features both vertical and horizontal wires for diverse cutting needs, including long straight cuts and intricate shapes, and a brake arm for precision control. Its adjustable support surfaces aid in achieving different cutting angles, while the compact design and included carrying case enhance its portability. Technical specs like a DC 18-volt 2.0 Ah battery, 18V DC brushless motor, and a maximum cutting height of 650 millimeters, along with a net weight of 14.5 kilograms, underline its capability as a comprehensive solution for insulation cutting tasks. The Hyde Tools Popcorn Sealing Repair Patch Kit is a user-friendly solution for repairing small holes and cracks in popcorn ceilings, ideal for homeowners. The kit includes a patching compound, putty knife, and sandpaper, providing all the essentials for a basic repair. The process involves cleaning the area, applying the patching compound with the putty knife, allowing it to dry, and then sanding for a smooth finish. It's perfect for quick, cost-effective repairs, but for larger damages, a mesh patch might be necessary, and thorough drying is essential before sanding. If uncertain, consulting a professional is recommended to ensure optimal results. The Wolfcraft Special Knife is a professional-grade tool specifically designed for cutting insulating materials, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The knife features a 305 millimeter long stainless steel blade that is adept at cutting through foam, polystyrene, fiberglass, and other soft materials. Its sharpness and ease of use are highly appreciated by users who find it efficient for slicing through insulation with minimal effort. The pointed tip of the blade facilitates easy insertion into materials, while the ergonomic plastic handle ensures comfort during use. Durable and well-constructed, the Wolfcraft offers longevity, standing up to frequent use without losing its effectiveness. The Klein Tools Loose Cable Stapler is a robust, heavy-duty tool designed for securing Romex and data cables efficiently and safely. It boasts a forward action handle that enhances stability and minimizes wrist fatigue, coupled with a premium cast aluminum body for lasting durability. A unique feature of this stapler is its cable channel on the mounting face, which ensures the protection of cables during stapling. Additionally, the convenience of a belt clip that can be mounted on either side of the stapler makes it versatile for both left and right-handed users. The stapler is compatible with specific Klein tool staples, which are easily loaded into its non-removable magazine. SchockBetof Fix Plus, a certified grouting mortar, is ideal for grouting wall ducts and house entries, renowned for its ease of use, versatility, and durability. This self-compacting mortar offers a generous working time of 3 to 5 minutes, making it suitable for both DIYers and professionals. It's applicable across various construction contexts, including different wall structures and buildings with or without basements. Its robust nature makes it frost-proof, waterproof, and resistant to de-icing saltwater, oil, and gas, while also being radon-tight and safe for drinking water applications. The product expands upon hardening, preventing shrinkage or cracking, ensuring a tight, secure fit. Available in 5 kilo, 12.5 kilo, and 25 kilo bags, SchockBetof Fix Plus is a versatile and reliable choice for diverse construction needs, especially in grouting wall ducts and house entries. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.